Hello po, si Ronnie Danza po ito. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa House of Common Canada dahil binigyan po ako ng recognition as a Business Excellence. It's a Business Excellence Award for being in the business sector in North York. And thank you po sa Government of Canada, House of Common, Consul General ng Philippines. Maraming salamat po, and then kay MTV Gasparov. It means a lot to me po dahil po sa pagiging immigrant ko po na nagsakripisyo dito sa Canada. Maraming salamat po for recognizing me as Business Excellence Award. Maraming salamat po. Overwhelming po lahat. Ang dami-daming nangyayari sa buhay ko. At salamat po. Maraming salamat. At sa pamilya ko, I just wanted to dedicate my Business Excellence Award to my wife, to my kids, Angelique, Gabriel, and Gavin, and to all my families and friends. Maraming salamat po.